So, Sheshadri, now what Bangalore has to do, first they have to identify these heritage trees,
Yes.
and after that, what's the second step that has to be done?
We have innumerable heritage trees. All of them have to be geospatially, digitally tagged.
Mm.
And then the concerned authorities have to install a board
Mm.
adjacent to the tree,
Mm.
or even fix it around the tree in a
Mm.
way that it doesn't harm the tree.
Without
Not,
damaging the tree.
yes, not to nail the boards onto the tree, which is bad
Mm.
practice.
Mm.
Probably the nameplates can be tethered onto the tree with a spring
Mm.
or some other method, so you don't affect it. Does the board does not affect the health of the tree,
Mm.
as is usually done. Usually done. And the next thing is an inventory has to be made by the concerned agencies,
Mm.
and enough budget to be allotted.
Mm.
First thing is for clearing the base of the tree, basically to deconcretize the base.
No, wait, let's go slowly. So after geospatially identifying them, authority have to put some kind of a board or identifying mark
Yes.
without harming the tree.
Yes.
And then after that, the base of the tree has to be
The base
attended.
has to be of the tree has to be attended
Why?
to, because most of the trees are concretized, or there is a lot of asphalt around the trees, which all have to be cleared.
What
And
is concretized?
the base of the tree is concretized
No,
in many
I mean,
cases.
how do they concretize it?
So basically, they what do you say? They apply concrete all over the
Right
base,
up to the tree
up
itself.
to the base of the trunk,
Mm.
which which denies the tree of aeration,
Mm.
which also and there is a lot of compaction of soil at the
Mm.
base.
Mm.
It has to be decompacted, and the leaf litter that comes down from the tree has to be left at the base itself to decompose and make the soil spongier,
Mm.
and which the tree helps itself.
Mm.
And we just need to remove the obstacles in the middle when the tree is trying to help itself by dropping its litter to the base, and that litter builds the the microbial structure at the base, and the earthworms, and the soil becomes healthier.
So
The tree care of itself.
once these heritage trees are identified, the cement which is been plastered too close to the base, that concrete has to be removed so that the roots can start breathing.
Yes.
And then they have to give some mulch for those trees.
Yes. The trees have to be mulched, and there has to be some fertile medium. Fertile medium has to be added around the base
Mm.
to as long as the canopy stretches.
That's
At least,
impractical. If it's a roadside tree and all, how can
roadside is
you
difficult.
leave all
As
the way
much
up?
as possible.
As much as possible. Say
The
1 or 2
bases have
feet
to
at
be
least.
decongested.
A minimum how much?
That is the idea. It depends on the girth of the tree. The
No,
bigger the tree,
around
the
the
more
tree.
deconcretization, the more decongestion you will have to perform around the tree base.
Mm.
And the trunk has to be examined, the canopy has to be examined very carefully.
So as far as the base is concerned, that has to be deconcretized, and then
Yes.
it has to be fed some
Yes.
mulch and to keep it moist and
Yes.
healthy.
And the hydrology has to be taken care of, so that when there is rain, there is enough water that accumulates around the base, and it all the water percolates,
Percolates
below
in.
the tree.
If that is done, the base of the tree will be
base
healthy.
is more or less taken care of.
Okay, then about the upper part, what can be done?
About the canopy has to be examined physically. Each and every branch has to be examined for canker, for any
What
kind
is
of
canker?
infections, some kind of infection, some kind of fungal. There is a lot of moisture ingress in some damaged branches because of bad cuts.
Mm.
So when you do bad cuts on heritage trees, what happens is the wound doesn't
Bad
heal.
cut means just without unscientific chopping.
Unscientifically pruning, which means what you do is if there is a trunk, if there is a branch, you need to prune the branch at the collar, so that the callus forms on it, and the wound is healed.
So this canker on the upper part of this heritage tree should be identified.
Yes.
And
The
then
disease parts of the trunks, the hollow trunks are okay. Hollow trunks are perfectly fine. But if the hollow trunks have fungal activity, then we will have to take care of it.
mm,
Or if there is any accumulation of dust or leaf litter which might attract more fungal activity,
mm,
all that has to be cleared, and if there is any pruning that has to be done, it has to be done, and we have to make sure that the branches simply don't crash down.
So the fungal attack is the biggest problem that has to
Fungal
be
attack
attacked.
is one of the biggest problems in
Okay.
tropical trees. That is actually when the tree by itself it is not prone to fungal attacks, but it is because of bad pruning.
Yeah, whatever it is, they are out there. They are badly pruning only now.
Bad pruning.
Ah,
Bad
so-
pruning has to stop.
Bad pruning has to
And
stop.
good arboriculture practice has to begin in Bangalore. It is high time.
Okay, then second question, after that canker and that this fungus attack, what is the other main problem of the canopy?
The canopy has to be balanced. That is one thing.
Mm.
And one of the primary things is branches that are bigger than 4 inches should never be cut.
Mm.
So there are different ways of pruning, scientific ways of pruning, and each species needs a different treatment. You need to go by the branching structure, and the arboriculture of tropical trees is a new subject and not much work
Okay,
has gone into
but
it.
as far as now Bangalore is concerned, they have to identify this canker and attend it, and then the
Generally examine the health of the tree at the base, the health of the canopy.
Mm.
Generally the entire system, the root system and the shoot system has to be examined. And we need to have practices, we need to attend the tree in such a way that the tree lives longer.
Okay, but what has to be done to the canopy apart from identifying the disease?
The diseases have to be treated.
Okay, then
And
apart from that, anything else is
any
there?
necessary pruning only should be carried out.
So pruning should be carried out with great hesitation and
With great care,
preparation.
in a scientific manner,
scientific manner.
in the principles of arboriculture practice, in order to make the tree live longer,
Okay,
which is
then
the primary goal.
pruning has to be done in a scientific way and without not just carelessly.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the
Very
second thing.
calculatively and going by the principles, going by experience, going by arboriculture experience, you should know.
You get
know, it
people
is-
who know it and make them to do
Exactly,
it. Okay,
yes.
then what is the other major problem for the canopy?
The canopies, we need to look at the winds, especially we have gusty winds, especially in Bangalore. Gusty winds occur in the beginning of the rainy season. This is exactly because cities are urban heat islands, and the temperatures are about 7 degrees higher inside the city when compared to the outskirts. So that leads to gusty winds. So
Okay, it's
gusty
windy. When
are
winds
a
come,
serious problem for the
those
canopy.
branches, weaker branches, shouldn't fall on people's heads, basically.
Yeah.
So,
Wind.
huh.
The tree should be kind of windproof.
Mm.
You can say windproof. I mean, it's no.
So, how
tree is
does one
windproof,
do this windproofing?
by balancing the canopies and making sure that even in the gustiest winds, the tips of the branches don't sway beyond an extreme.
And if they're swaying,
Proper pruning will take care
pruning
of it.
has to be
completely.
done. Mm.
Even at 100 kilometer per hour winds, we need to calculate what is the highest speed of winds.
Mm.
The winds are gusty, the winds are multi-directional, but still, the highest winds, the maximum amount of gustiness in the winds.
Okay, that
canopy
should
has to
be.
take.
Okay, so these three things have to be done to the tree. One is attend the base, and all those canker and fungal attack has to be treated, and then tree has to be balanced if there is an imbalance only,
The canopy.
and that has to be done by people who have specialized knowledge.
Experienced arboriculturists.
Okay.
Arborists, okay.
So this is the second step what Bangalore has to do.
Yes.